Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to switch to Binance Pro. So the first step we need to do is go to the Binance app. And now we open the app, and here in the feed, we go to the superior left corner where the symbol of Binance, we pick here. Now there in the options of our profile, we need to pick here down of the app in where said Binance Lite. So we pick here and we pass to the Binance Lite app. So now if we want go to the Binance Pro, the only thing you need to do is pick you pick again in the Binance symbol. And now in our profile, we got the option of the Binance Pro in the down part of the app. You pick here, and that's it. You are in the Binance Pro. The difference between these two versions of the app is the Lite is a more simple, in the feed, more simple in the design of the app, and in the Binance Pro, you got more options to interactive with the app. So that's the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.